Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bitmart. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bitmart application. Once you have logged into your Bitmart account, then you need to tap on assets at the bottom right corner. Now simply click on add crypto button. After that, from this select deposit method, you need to choose deposit via crypto button. From this list of currencies, you need to search for USDT in the search bar and select this USDT Tether. Now you need to select a network. So simply select Ethereum ERC20 network, and before that always make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds. Now click on this Ethereum network and click confirm, and here you can see your USDT ERC20 wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly, and you can also share this address directly by tapping on this share address button. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bitmart. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.